In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Trello board access. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to your board and set their permissions so they can see what they need without changing anything you don't want changed. First, open the Trello board you want to share and look toward the top right of the screen. Click the Share button to open the Invite panel. If you don't see it, make sure you're on the correct board and that you have permission to invite people. Typically, board admins or members with the right access can share a board. When the panel opens, you'll see a field where you can add people. Next, type the email address of the person you want to invite. Take a moment to double-check the spelling so the invite lands in the right inbox. If the person already uses Trello with that address, you may see their profile appear as a suggestion. Selecting it helps ensure you're inviting the right account. If they're new to Trello, that's fine. Trello will send an email prompting them to create or sign into an account to accept your invite. Before you send the invite, adjust their permissions. You'll see a role option that usually defaults to member. Click that and select Observer. This role is designed for read-only access. Observers can open the board, view lists and cards, expand card details, and depending on board settings, sometimes comment or vote, but they can't move cards, edit details, or change the board structure. That makes it ideal for clients, stakeholders, or anyone who needs visibility without the ability to modify your workflow. Keep in mind that the Observer role may be available only on certain Trello plans. If you don't see the option, your workspace plan might not include it. Once the email is correct and the role is set to Observer, click Share to send the invitation. Trello will confirm that the invite went out. The person you invited will receive an email with a link to join the board. After they accept, you'll see them listed among the board members with the Observer label, indicating they have view-only access. If they mention they haven't received the invite, suggest they check their spam or junk folder. That's it. You opened the board and clicked Share, added the email, changed the role from member to observer, and clicked Share again to send the invite. You can always revisit the Share panel later to review who has access and adjust roles as your project evolves, keeping your board both collaborative and secure.